So are you looking for your next hairstyle with possibly some hair that you have laying around the house? Yeah, I achieved this look by just using some curly crochet hair. Let's get into it. Okay, so baby, listen, I'm ready to do this ponytail because I need something real quick and easy. I got this color here. I seen this style on TikTok. This girl like used some crochet hair and did her ponytail, so we're gonna try that. This is their beach curl. You see it has these cute like ginger pieces in it. It kind of look copper. And this is 10 inches. This is in the color 1B/350. It comes with 8 of these bundles. And they got super fast shipping. So if you place your order today, I'm sure you have it in a couple days. Sis out of breath. I was just playing with my dog and I'm out of breath. Okay, so I was gonna use a hair bow like I seen the girl do in the video, but I'm gonna use this piece of Marley hair because it's like the girl used a rubber band that was in a circle and then she crocheted all the hair in and then she cut the rubber band, so she said it was kind of like a track. But I'm gonna use this crochet hair and use this Marley hair to wrap it around. Take all the crochet pieces off. Okay, so this is one pack and I'm gonna add a rubber band down here. You just wanna make sure it's far up to where you caught all the hair. Then I'm gonna add this to this piece of hair. So I'm gonna do maybe 2 or 3 more packs just like this. Yeah. All right, really quick, I'm ready to do my eyebrows, but I'm ready to shade them, like make them more straight. I seen this girl doing it. And apparently this trend is going viral. So I'm gonna use some oils. That's what I have by me. Making them thinner. Okay, underneath. You're giving me wind and rain. Some kind of butterfly. Baby, you get... Okay. That's a difference. Okay, let me do my makeup. Alright, so I went ahead and like straightened my hair with the hot comb and I was cutting it again. Whatever. So just watch me, just enjoy the ride. Whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby. I'm scarred from these damn rubber bands. I will not make the same mistakes. For the front, I'm gonna use these 2. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Okay, but if you got short hair like me, Do what you gotta do, sis. But I have it looking really nice and neat. Here we go. Put this at the top. Tie this around. You're chilling when the rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. Okay, I made me a ponytail. I mean, if you really want to leave it down, you could. And my clip. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh yeah, and let's not forget the brows. I like them. It's a little bit more edgy. Alright you guys, so that's all for this look. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.